Our Holley Tech Center gets a lot of phone calls about how to test for ignition spark. Let me run you through some common causes of a no spark condition when using our MSD, Mallory, Hyperspark, or Accel ignition boxes. But before we get too deep, be sure to check the basics first. Make sure you have good power and a clean ground going to your ignition box. Use a voltmeter to verify and check that you have 12 volts at the switched power wire that's going to the box when the key is in the run position and also while cranking the engine. You'd be surprised at how many times we see this one. Still no spark? Inspect the wiring and wiring connectors along the ignition circuit. Check the fuses at the fuse panel. Then look for any inline fuses that may have been added as well. Then correct any issues that you may find. While conventional inductive style ignition systems rely on 12-volt power from the ignition switch to power the positive terminal of coil, MSD, Mallory, Accel, and Hyperspark boxes are capacitive discharge ignitions, which is why we don't rely on a voltage test at the coil with these boxes. They utilize a large capacitor and are capable of discharging 420 to 570 volts to the positive side of your coil during a firing event. Use of an oscilloscope is the best way to test and monitor the capacitive discharge to the coil. Other possible causes of a no spark condition include a corroded rotor or distributor cap, worn or bad points and condenser if so equipped, a bad coil wire, or even the distributor itself could be the culprit. To test a distributor, remove the power and or trigger wire from the distributor itself. Then remove the distributor cap and have a friend crank the engine while you observe. You want to check for smooth rotor rotation while the engine is cranking. If the rotor fails to move or it's jerky and intermittent, you may have a bad cam or distributor gear, a sheared distributor set pin, and although it's not very likely, the distributor shaft itself could have failed. You'll have to remove the distributor completely in order to further diagnose. After verifying that your ignition box has proper power and ground, the cap, rotor, and wires are good, and there are no mechanical issues with the distributor, the next step is to test the ignition box. Capacitive discharge ignitions from MSD, Mallory, and Accel are a popular option for those running a carbureted setup. Our MSD and Hyperspark boxes are a perfect choice for anyone looking for improved spark and timing control using Sniper EFI or any aftermarket EFI setups. The testing procedures for our MSD ignition boxes and our plug-and-play Hyperspark ignition boxes for Sniper EFI are the same. Testing these boxes is a simple task that can be done in one of two ways depending on what type of distributor you're using or if you're using a crank trigger. When using a point-style distributor or electronically amplified distributor to trigger the white wire coming from your MSD or Hyperspark box, follow these steps. With the ignition switch in the off position, remove the coil wire from the distributor cap and install a spark tester, or position the spark plug wire so it's approximately 1/2 inch from a good clean ground. You could also install a spark plug and ground it. Disconnect the white wire that's coming out of your MSD or Hyperspark box from the distributor points or ignition amplifier. Turn your ignition to the on position, but don't crank the engine. With the ignition in the on position, tap your white wire to a good ground several times. Every time you pull the wire away from this ground, you should see a spark jump from the coil wire to the ground. If spark is present, the ignition box is working properly. If there is no spark, substitute your coil for a good known working coil and retest. If you now have spark, the coil was at fault. Still no spark? Your ignition box is more than likely the culprit and will need to be repaired or replaced. See the warranty and service page for more information. If your setup uses a magnetic pickup style distributor or a crank trigger and is connected to the green and violet 2-pin connector coming from your MSD box, follow these steps. Make sure the ignition switch is in the off position. Remove the coil wire from the distributor cap and install a spark tester, or position the spark plug wire so it's approximately 1/2 inch from a good clean ground. You could also install a spark plug and ground it. Disconnect the magnetic pickup connector. This would be the green and violet wires coming from the distributor or crank trigger. Turn the ignition to the on position, but do not crank the engine. Using a jumper wire or a paper clip, short the green and violet terminals together at the connector coming from the ignition box. Then remove the jumper wire. Each time the jumper is removed, you should see a spark. If spark is present, the ignition box is working properly. If you don't have spark, swap out your coil for a known good working coil and retest. If you now have spark, your coil was at fault. Still don't have spark? more than likely your ignition box is a culprit, and you'll need to send it in to have it repaired or replaced. For more information, see our warranty and service page. We also offer some convenient ignition testers from MSD to help simplify the testing process. Part number 8998 allows you to test your MSD unit and set rev limits and shift lights. And part number 89981 is our universal tester. It can test both single channel and individual coil per cylinder ignition systems. If you'd like to learn more about our capacitive discharge ignition systems, visit us at msdignitions.com or holley.com.